Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today I have this beautiful BMW 330. It is beautiful sapphire black. This car also comes with the M Sport Pro package with the 18-inch diamond cut alloys, with the red brake calipers as well, the Shadowline version, with the iconic uni grills in black, eye black gloss trims in all the windows, privacy windows on the reverse seat. As well as coming towards the wood, you can see it has plenty of space here, as well as below for your cables, because the hybrids. Towards the back seats we can see our black leather seats with the M Sport Pro stitching on the seat belts, the child security system ISOFIX on both seats, as well as the armrest on the middle and storage on both doors, as well as some climate controls on the center with two vents. Coming towards the front seats we can see our black leather seats, as well as the M Sport Pro black leather steering wheel. On the steering wheel you can see our cruise controls, as well as the media and entertainment controls. And towards the center we can see our beautiful digital cluster, and towards the center screen we can also see our media, navigation, as well as review camera, park assist and reversing assistant. On the climate control we have fully automatic climate with heated seats on both sides, and this car also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Towards the center we can see our cup holders, a place to put your phone, and we can control our media, navigation, and we can see also all our modes: sport, hybrid and electric, and our fully automatic transmission. Towards the center we have plenty of storage here on the middle, as well as on both doors, with the automatic open and close mirrors, as well as the automatic windows on all the doors. As well as on the steering wheel you can see our adaptive pedal shifters. This car is available for purchase across our various car sale websites, as well as the BMW Joe Duffy website. All of our BMW reviews cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Tomas, thank you so much and have a great day.